And today morning, when we met, we were not able to interact to you due to some technical problems. Okay, so we plan to meet you again. And today you have a new big name. It is the first day of your second standard. And we wish you all the best for this academic year. May you be able to learn a lot of new things, creative things. Okay? And dear children, when you meet your teachers online, you have to stand up and greet them. Okay? I hope all my children will do it. Okay. So, we would like to welcome all of you to the school once again, though virtually. So, all of you, please watch this presentation. Watch this video.
This is the place that you would embrace with all of the lovely moments of your life. You were just usual, would foster you like true. We welcome you here, the place that is heaven. We teach you listen to the nature. We teach you to respect each other. We teach you to dance. We teach you to sing. Together we ally to the Excel family. We welcome you all to grow like flowers in the garden. We wish for you all to stay strong and be happy. Every time we wish for goodness, every time we step by your side, every time we wish for good luck, every time we pray for your wellness, every time we wish for goodness, every time we step by your side, every time we wish for good luck, every time we pray for your wellness. Once again we sing to you. We welcome you all to grow like flowers in the garden. We wish for you all to stay strong and be happy.
Ma'am, I saw.
Yes, all of you could see your school once again,
Ma'am, I
right?
see.
And all of you are excited to come to school. We would like to give you a visual treat, one more presentation, another video before you. Do watch, children.
പോലെ പുതിയ കാല ചരിതമായി കൺതുറന്നിടാം. പ്രവേശനോത്സവം 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 പ്രവേശനോത്സവം.
Dear children, are you all happy now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, would you like to meet your principal, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. So, what will you do when your principal, ma'am, comes to class? We have to stand and bow, right? Yes. Okay. So now you can meet our principal, ma'am. Sati ma'am is waiting for you. She has come to your class. Let me welcome her. Ma'am, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. How are you, children?
Good
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, 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 ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. We all have gathered here virtually to meet each other in the new academic year 21-22. I hope all of you are happy with a smile. I can see you, all of you smiling. I want all of you to smile. Yes, always face the world with a smile. So, you all know that last year we were facing challenges and obstacles because of the coronavirus, isn't it? Corona, COVID-19, and we were all at home last full year. And this year we thought the school can be reopened. But unfortunately, the second wave of corona had set in. So we are not able to reopen the school. We must have felt sad. You also felt sad. We also felt sad. But nothing can be done. So what we thought of doing is meeting you daily in the live classes. So this year we have made arrangement. You can meet the teachers online every day in the morning, and they will be conducting assembly in the morning. So you can participate and interact with them. And I know you have completed your first standard and you have all passed to the promoted to the second standard. Now you are in second standard. Last year you learned some skills and reading, writing, comprehension, speaking, everything you learned in the first standard, mathematical skills, everything, addition, subtraction, all the things you learned. Now you're in the second standard, you will be learning some more skills other than that, and also some more activities you will be involved so that you gather information and you become a better person day by day. I want to tell you one thing. Teachers last year were working very effortlessly and they were giving the lessons every day through video classes, that is by NeuroNet app. But this year, we can start giving live classes so that you also feel you are happy to see your teachers. Sometimes, not every day we can give live classes. We will be combining both the live classes with the video classes. So whenever you would like to meet a teacher, we can have the live class and interact with the teacher. When you interact with the teacher, you gain lot of skills. During this stage, you have to learn skills, not by heart things or become a robot. Like you learn something by heart and then you produce it. It should not be like that. You have to think and answer. When a question is put, you should answer by thinking skills. And what happens? You should not take any help from your parents. First of all, you listen to the teacher's lesson, you understand the things, and you do it by yourself. You will make mistakes, no problem. When you make mistakes only, you will learn. You cannot get everything perfect right in the beginning. First of all, we cannot do great things, but we can do small things with great love, isn't it? That is Mother Teresa's quote. And this quote suits for all of us in life, especially when you want to learn things. We have to learn little by little by understanding and doing everything in the correct possible manner. And I appreciate my students for the involvement which you have shown last year, and you have interacted with your teachers. And I would inform the parents also. They require a lot of support from you, because since they are not coming to the school, they are with you, and the parents have to support the children in all their endeavors. And we are there as teachers. I think all my teachers will support you in all areas, in whichever subject you find it difficult. We are there to help you and support. You have to be very happy. Don't feel sad. Always be happy and do your work with excitement and enthusiasm. Not only studying, you can also participate in all the activities. This is the time you have to participate in dance, music, quiz, whatever activity is being given by the school, you have to participate. It is not winning the prize, or it is not winning a certificate. It is the participation matters. So I want all my children to participate in all the activities this academic year. Because last year when we are given the activities, few students only participated. That should not happen. From every class, every child should have the time to interact with the teacher, and whichever you are good at, you should try to participate. And this in lower classes, when you participate, you develop skills which is required for higher class studies. And I hope all my children will do that. First of all, we could come over all these challenges because of the support of our management and also my teachers. I'm very proud of my teachers, those who have supported and helped you throughout last year. And also the parents. You should be thankful to your parents, those who have supported you in all the ways. And I know the parents have got a lot of work at home, but still they are supporting you in all your studies, and they find it very difficult actually. That time, you as children, what you have to do is help your parents. How will you help your parents? Such small things you can do to help your parents. Just folding the bed sheets, or folding your bed, keeping your bed neat and clean, keeping your study table neat and clean, or giving a glass of water to your father, mother. These are the small things which you happily can do it, and you feel happy, and your parents also will feel happy about it. So I also inform the parents that small works can be assigned to the children. Let them do happy and get involved and feel happy about it. And here, one more thing I will end up saying that I think all my children are safe, healthy, eat good, nutritious food. Food is very important. You all know that. Drink plenty of water. We have to develop immunity. So we have to become strong. When you become strong, only you can attack all the virus or anything which comes into your body, isn't it? So eat healthy food, good breakfast, and also discipline yourself. Get up in the morning. When you get up in the morning, what happens? You become so happy, isn't it? When you get up in the morning, don't sleep for till 10 o'clock and 9 o'clock like that. Get up early morning, brush your teeth, do all your work, taking bath, and then afterwards you eat your breakfast and you sit on your study table. That is, we are going to do, I think mostly we will work out this year, like the first period, that the first bell, like we say in the government school. We are also starting with 9 o'clock, so that time you will be coming and sitting with your uniform. If you have got the uniform, you can wear and sit, so that you have the feeling of the school, isn't it? You have come to the school, you are attending the teacher. you get that sense of feeling. So those who don't have the uniform, don't worry, don't panic. You can do it afterwards. Once your lockdown, everything is over, you can come to the school, buy the uniform following the COVID protocol, and you can, that time you can wear the uniform and sit in front of the class teachers and you can interact with them. So we are thinking of that, we have planned that. Let us see, and let us, by the grace of God, everything goes smooth. We can meet you soon. We all feel that we are eagerly waiting the school to be reopened. And I hope all of you are happy at home, stay safe and healthy. And I'm very, very thankful to my parents, those who have supported the school, and even my dear children who have involved yourself in the last year with all the activities. And I thank my teachers for conducting classes very regularly to the best of their abilities. And finally, I thank the management for providing all this support and good platform for interacting with you all. Thank you very much. God bless you, children, to have a bright future. For the second standard, let all happiness come to you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, 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 ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Now, children, you can lend your ears to our chairman sir's words. All of you listen carefully. Chairman sir will address you.
And heartiest greetings on behalf of the management of Excel Public School on this auspicious occasion of the reopening of the school for the academic year 2021-22. We are in the midst of the second wave of the pandemic, and with hopes that this pandemic will recede soon, and we will be able to have the physical classes within a couple of months. During the last academic year, I should congratulate the students, parents, the teaching and non-teaching staff who showed utmost patience, diligence, and hard work in carrying out their respective duties, and the teachers who put in extra efforts to take notes, work from home, and adapt to technology in providing the online classes to our dear students. I fully understand and appreciate the concerns of the students who have not got the benefit of attending class physically, but I'm sure that this is a temporary phase, and we will certainly make it up when the classes again commence in our beloved school. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the teaching and non-teaching staff who worked tirelessly in spite of several constraints to make the last academic session a very fruitful one. I'm sure they will carry forward the good work, and I should also express my deep sense of thankfulness and gratitude to the parents who stood by us in this difficult period. I once again thank all of you from the bottom of my heart, and with our continued support, with the continued support of all of you, we can take the school to greater heights and glory. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Dear children, that was our chairman, Sri P. Mohan, FCA, giving his greetings to you. Now, please lend your ears to our PTA president, Mr. Kripesh. He would like to talk to you.
നമസ്കാരം. നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിലെ ഈ വർഷത്തെ അധ്യയനത്തിന്റെ ആദ്യ ദിനമായ ഇന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷത്തെ പോലെ തന്നെ ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സാണ് ആരംഭിക്കുന്നത്. അതിന്റെ ഭാഗമായി ഇന്നത്തെ പ്രവേശനോത്സവത്തിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത എല്ലാ കുട്ടികൾക്കും ഞാൻ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. പേരൻസിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം ഒരു പുതിയ പഠനരീതിയുമായി മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ വളരെ ആശങ്കയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എന്നിരുന്നാലും സ്കൂളിലെ അധ്യാപകന്മാരുടെ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായ പ്രവർത്തനത്തിലൂടെ നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ പഠന നിലവാരം നല്ല രീതിയിൽ മുന്നോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ അവർക്ക് സാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിൽ പേരൻസിന്റെ ഭാഗത്തു നിന്നും വളരെ നല്ല രീതിയിലുള്ള അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളാണ് നമുക്ക് ലഭിച്ചത്. എന്നിരുന്നാലും ഈ വർഷം നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ പഴയ പഠന രീതിയുമായി മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാമെന്നൊരു ചിന്താഗതിയോടുകൂടി തന്നെയായിരുന്നു നാം എല്ലാവരും ആകാംക്ഷയോടെ കാത്തിരുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ നിർഭാഗ്യവശാൽ COVID-19 രണ്ടാം തരംഗത്തിൽ വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ അത്തരം ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ നിർബന്ധിതരായിരിക്കുകയാണ്. എന്നിരുന്നാലും കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷത്തെ ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സിലെ ചില പോരായ്മകൾ പല പേരൻസും നമ്മുടെ PTയുടെ പ്രതിനിധിയിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. അത്തരം പ്രശ്നങ്ങളൊക്കെ പരിഹരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇനി അങ്ങോട്ടുള്ള നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ പഠന രീതിയിൽ എല്ലാ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളും പരിഹരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുവാനും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു അനുഭവങ്ങളും സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ അന്തരീക്ഷത്തിലേക്ക് വന്നു ചേർന്ന് ആ കളിച്ചുല്ലസിച്ച് അധ്യാപകന്മാരുടെ സ്നേഹവാത്സല്യങ്ങൾ ലഭിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ആ ഒരു പഠന രീതിയുമായി മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുവാൻ സർവേശ്വരൻ അതിനുള്ള സാഹചര്യം ഒരുക്കിത്തരട്ടെ എന്ന് മാത്രം പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So once again, we wish you all the best, children. Hope this academic year will be a fruitful one to you. You will learn a lot of new things, creative things. And as Principal Ma'am has said, remain happy, eat healthy food, remain safe. And we take this opportunity to thank all our parents for their incredible support during this online class. And we expect the same from you, dear parents, because without your support, we won't be able to achieve our target. Hope we can do it together. With this, we conclude this session. I once again thank all of you, dear children, parents, and all the teachers who are present in this online meet. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. You can leave now. The class is over. The meet is over.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.